Manager.
Come in.
Manager, regarding the GENIX batteries we procured, how can we tell if they are genuine? The counterfeit products recently are really hard to guard against.
Follow me. See, this is our battery. First, check the appearance. Observe the original design of the main positive and negative terminal shape. The USB port is to connect with host computer for BMS monitoring. Then look at the silk screen printing. Ensure the fonts are clear without blurring or double images. Finally, examine the metal plate. Its stamping process has unique identifying features, and the precision of age treatment is noticeably different from counterfeits. See?
Yeah, it's very good.
This laser engraved QR code, the number scan should match the code at the bottom. WN stands for the WAN, indicating this is a genuine battery.
Others ways to identify them, Manager.
Hold your horses. Look, we can also use the BMS to connect to a host computer and verify the product's authenticity through the host computer's backend. If you are still unsure, you can contact professional technicians via Facebook, provide message to initial an authenticity verification request.
You are so knowledgeable, Manager. Now with these methods, we won't worry about buying fake batteries anymore.